In this lecture, we solve the differential equation dy dx, which is equal to minus 4x cube y square plus y cos of xy whole divided by 2x to the power 4y plus x cos of xy. Consider the differential equation dy dx, which is equal to minus 4x cube plus y square plus y cos xy upon 2 times of x to the power 4y plus x cos xy. This can be written as, let us take the cross multiplication, this into this and this into this. So 2x to the power 4y plus x cos of xy whole multiply by dy, which is equal to minus 4 times of x cube y square plus y cos of xy into whole dx. Now let us transpose this to this side. So we have, first we'll take this term 4x cube y square plus y cos of xy into dx plus 2 times of x, 2 times of x, x to the power 4y plus x cos xy dy, which is equal to 0. So comparing equation number 1 with the differential equation m dx plus n dy equal to 0, we get m is equal to 4 times of x cube y square plus y cos of xy, and n is equal to 2x to the power 4y plus x cos of xy. Now let us find out its partial derivative of, we have to check that the given equation is exact or not. So for that purpose, we have to check that del m del y is equal to del n del x or not. So del m del y, which is equal to, so here m is equal to 4x cube y square plus y cos of xy, and is equal to 2x to the power 4y plus x cos of xy. So let us consider what is the partial derivative of m with respect to y. So if you want to find out the partial derivative of m with respect to y, x should be constant. So 4x cube is constant. Derivative of y square is 2y. So 2y into 4x cube is 8x cube y minus here x is constant. So we have to use the, you apply the derivative of product of two function, y is first function and cos of xy is the second function. So first y, derivative of cos xy is minus sin xy, and again derivative of xy with respect to y is x. So derivative of y cos of xy is equal to minus xy sin xy plus derivative of y with respect to y is 1 and cos of xy. Similarly, the derivative of n with respect to x, so we consider y is constant. So derivative of x to the power 4 is nothing but 4x cube. So 4 into 2 is 8x cube y, 8x cube y. And again, we apply the product of two functions, derivative of product of two functions. So first function x, derivative of cos of xy is minus sin of xy. Again, derivative of xy with respect to x is y. So this is minus of xy sin xy plus derivative of x is equal to 1 and cos of xy. So now if we see these two terms, both are similar. So therefore del m del y equal to del n del x. But we know that the necessary and sufficient condition that m dx plus n dy equal to 0 be exact is del m del y equal to del n del x. So it means that the given differential equation is exact. Since the given differential equation 1 is exact, therefore the general solution of 1 is given by integration of m integration of m with respect to x when y is constant plus integration of terms of n free from x with respect to y, which is equal to integrating constant. which gives us what is the value of m? M is nothing but 4x cube y square plus y cos of xy with respect to dx. And now in the another term n, there is no term which is free from x, so it should be 0. So integration of 0 is, we can say, that is constant, so it is already mentioned over there. Now we have to take 4. What is the this y square is constant, so 4y square is constant, and integration of x cube is nothing but x to the power 4 upon 4 plus y is constant, so derivative integration of cos of xy is sine of xy whole divided by y. So this y and y will cancel, so we have this 4 and 4 will also cancel. X to the power 4 into y square plus sine of xy equal to integrating constant c. So therefore, x to the power 4 into y square plus sine of xy equal to c. This is the general solution of the given differential equation. Clearly here, the if you see the differential equation, it was, when seeing it, it is very complicated. But since it is much more complicated, but it is exact differential equation, so its solution can be found easily. And this is nothing but x to the power 4 y square plus sine of xy, which is equal to c, is the general solution of the given differential equation. Thank you.